Hello, my name is Dana Johnson, and today I'm going to talk about how to do taxes, specifically your W-4. Your W-4 has a direct impact on what taxes come out of your paycheck and your potential refund. So I'm here to explain how to fill out a W-4. Step 1, very easy. It's just your personal information. Step 2, you have more than one job, you file with the spouse who works. This step is for you. It gives you 3 options for figuring out withholding across all those jobs. Step 3, now here's where you can claim kids, dependents, and any other credits you qualify for. These amounts lower how much tax is taken out. Take note, it's best for the spouse with the highest paying job to indicate child-related credits. Step 4, if you've got other non-job income or you qualify for deductions, you can include those here. The more income and withholding you list, the more your withholding increases. Including deductions will decrease it. Step 5, you're almost done. Just sign, date, and return the form to your employer. Now, a second easy way is to use H&R Block's W-4 calculator. You just answer the questions, you get a completed form to print out, and voila, you're finished. Thank you for listening. Always here to help, and it's been a pleasure sharing this information with you.